गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रकुटी तानी थी, पूरे भारत में आई फिर नई जवानी थी। गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। Who authored his famous poem about Rani Lakshmi Bai? And the answer is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Which famous incident of Indian history has been talked about in the poem? And the answer is the Revolt of 1857. The Revolt of 1857, considered as the First War of Independence. Let's have a small quiz on the Revolt of 1857. Question number 1. Sir Hugh Ross described whom as the best and bravest military leader of the rebel. And the answer is Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for the Indian nationalists. Question number 2. When and where did the War of Independence 1857 start? And the answer is on 10th May in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. The rebellion began on 10 May 1857 in a form of a mutiny of sepoys of the company's army in the garrison town of Meerut. Question number 3. Who was the adopted son of the last Peshwa Bajirao II? And the answer is Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib, born as Dhondu Pant, was an Indian Peshwa of Maratha Empire who led the rebellion in Kanpur during the 1857 uprising. Question number 4. Who described Revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence? And the answer is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. V.D. Savarkar described Revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence in his book Indian War of Independence 1857. Question number 5. What was the immediate cause of the Revolt of 1857? And the answer is New Enfield Rifle. The introduction of Enfield rifles in army was an immediate cause because to load the rifle, soldiers had to bite the cartridge open. The grease used on these cartridges was rumored to be made of beef and pork. Question number 6. Who was the first martyr of Revolt of 1857? And the answer is Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was a sepoy in the 34th Bengal Native Infantry Regiment of the British East India Company. Question number 7. What was the real name of Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai? And the answer is Manikarnika. She was named Manikarnika Tambe and was nicknamed Mannu in her childhood. Question number 8. About which kingdom did Dalhousie say that it was a cherry that will drop into our mouth one day? answer is Oudh. Oudh was annexed by the British in 1856, an action that greatly angered Indians and which has been cited as the cause of the Indian Mutiny of 1857. Question number 9. Which place witnessed the incident of Mangal Pandey firing upon British officers? And the answer is Barakpur. At the Barakpur ground near Kolkata on the afternoon of 29 March 1857, Pandey attacked and injured his British sergeant. Question number 10. After the failure of revolt in Delhi, Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to which place? And the answer is Rangoon. Yangon, formerly known as Rangoon, is the largest city in Myanmar, formerly Burma.